In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Hostinger VPS, easy setup and usage guide. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, along with clear explanations so you know why each choice matters and what to expect as you go. Start by heading to the Hostinger website and opening your hosting dashboard, often called hPanel. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and find Dev Tools. This section gathers technical features in one place, so it's the quickest path to your virtual private server controls. Inside DevTools, select VPS. That takes you to the area where you can manage or create your server. Choose Setup VPS to begin the guided setup. Hostinger will walk you through a short sequence of screens and will take them one at a time. When prompted, choose a server location. Pick the region closest to your primary audience or to where most of your traffic originates. This reduces latency and makes your websites and apps feel faster. After selecting the location, click Next to continue. Now decide what to install. You can choose a clean operating system or a pre-built stack tailored for common use cases. If you want full control and flexibility, a minimal Linux distribution is great. If you prefer speed and convenience, look for templates that include web servers or app panels. Make your selection, then move forward to the version choice. Select a version that suits your needs. In general, long-term support releases are ideal for stability and predictable updates, while newer versions can offer the latest features. If you rely on specific software, confirm compatibility before you proceed. Next, generate a root password. Use the built-in generator to create a strong, unique password and store it securely in a password manager. Avoid reusing passwords and keep this credential safe. It grants full administrative access to your server. Click Next to review what you've chosen, then click Next again to confirm. These screens help ensure you're comfortable with the location, the install option, the version, and your credentials before you commit. Finally, select a plan to purchase. Match the CPU, RAM, and storage to your expected workload. If you're unsure, start modestly. You can upgrade later as traffic grows. After you choose a plan and complete checkout, Hostinger will provision your VPS. Within a few minutes, it will be ready to use and you'll have everything you need to manage your server and deploy your projects with confidence.